So far, we've just been using SwiftUI's AsyncImage, and while it does do some caching, it's very aggressive about eliminating that cache. So if we scroll very far off screen, we'll have to go and fetch our image again, or if we wanted to do something like, say, implement drag and drop, we need some way to get the actual image, and that isn't exposed in AsyncImage. So what we're going to do is we're going to write our own AsyncImage implementation named CachedAsyncImage. And the goals of this will be one, that it will be a drop-in replacement for AsyncImage. And what it will do is it'll fetch an image given a URL. If we have it locally, it'll load it from our local documents directory. If we don't, it will go and reach across the network, get the image, and then save it into our documents directory. So for this video, I just want to implement fetching. So that's the goal. Well, that's what we're going to do today. The goal is, over time, like once we've done these multiple videos, is to decrease our network traffic. And let me show you here. You can see we're hitting the network a lot. And if we scroll down far enough, we'll find that images that we had already loaded, even on this view, will go out of scope, and then we'll have to go fetch them again. So that's not great. Let's fix that. Let's go into network, and we're going to make a new function. I think what I want to do is take this. I'm going to leave that one in place for now. I just want to have a global function named log. And I'm going to get rid of all that for now. We could combine those, but I think this is fine for now. So let's just copy and paste our getPods function. Let's rename it getImage. And we're going to get the image we'll pass a URL. It is asynchronous. And then instead of returning a pod, we're going to return a UI image. And this, we'll need to do some work to implement this when we want to support the Mac in the future, but for now, this will be fine. I went ahead and deleted these lines. We don't need them. And then here, instead of returning the data as pods, let's return it as a UI image. And if it fails, we'll return a localized, well, actually, we'll log it, and then we'll just return nil. Okay, so we shouldn't see any functional changes in this video. In the next one, we'll add some file manager and UI image extensions so that we can get the documents directory, save an image, and then load the image up from the documents directory.